how to send money internationally with Wise. Welcome back to our channel. So in order to send money internationally with Wise, you generally follow a 6-step process through their website or mobile app. First thing first, you have to log in or sign into your account. After which you want to specify the amount you want to send. So what you have to do is you could just go ahead and send or enter the transfer details, specify the amount you want to send and the recipient's currency, and you could choose to set the exact amount you want to send or exact amount the recipient gets. Then you have to enter the recipient's bank details like IBAN or SWIFT code or BIC code. If you don't have these, you can often send by their email address and Wise will request their details for you as well. Then for first time user or large transactions or large transfer, you may need to provide a photo of your ID, passport, or driver license to comply with the regulations. Then you just have to choose payment method, that is, select how you want to pay for the transfer, like bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or Wise balance. Next, you just have to go ahead and check the breakdown of fees and the exchange rate as well. Once confirmed, you could send the money and track its process in your account's activity. So this way you're supposed to send money internationally with Wise. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.